Hello friends, welcome to a new session on web application design using Flask. So in this session, we are going to see the uploading of a file from client side to the server side where Flask program is actually running. So it's very interesting task to do. Most of the time we require to get the data not in the textual format, request not in the textual format, so we will require in the file format also. So how to upload that file, how to use that file, how to take that file from client to the server, that operation we are going to see in this particular session. So let's continue. Handling a file upload in Flask is actually very easy. It needs an HTML form which is encrypt attribute set to multi-part form data, posting the file to the URL. Okay, so if you are already aware about this particular concept, you have to specify the encrypt type, and the encrypt type should be multi-part / form data. The URL handler fetches the file from request.files object. So we have seen the request object concept, and inside that the files is present which will contain the names of the files which you have to upload, and save is to desired location. Each uploaded file is the first saved in temporary location on the server before it actually saved on the ultimate location. Name of the destination file can be hard coded, so it can be obtained from file property of request.files file object. However, it is recommended to obtain a secure version of the file using secure file name function. So the function is secure file name, which I will be using there, and based on that will send the file to the server. So this is how it can be done. Let's see practically also, but before that let's see some configuration we need to mention, like app object that we create. Now in that I can mention to possible to default path of upload folder as well as the maximum size of uploaded file also in configuration of Flask object. So we can mention app.config, and here you have to specify the upload folder. We define the upload folder means in which folder you have to define, you have to save this file. By default, wherever the server program is running, stored in the same folder, the file will be uploaded. Okay, as well as we can make use of maximum context path also variable, which specify the maximum size of the file that you upload in the bytes. Okay, but wherever in specialized cases it's required, that time you have to use this one. But before that, let's see a simple application by which you can upload the file using the Flask. So let's create an HTML file which will be a client file, will upload that data. So let's see, so just make use of a file. You can save in template or you can save here also. It's not required to specially mention it there. Okay, so or let's see that in template itself. Okay, let's make upload.html. Okay, so we'll take that file from there. Okay, so it is file uploader, and in the body, okay, let's create a form. Okay, so form action is the now location of your Flask file, localhost colon file 000 / uploader something like this. Okay, uploader by using the method, remember you have to use the method post, and now what type of the data that we can mention by using enc type, and in enc type here we can use this multi-part form data. Text plain is the default value actually when you type the plain text data over there. Okay, and now input type should be the file. Input type, okay, sorry, this is not completed I think. Okay, so form should be completed at the end, not here. Okay, so input type is the file. Okay, and we'll assign the name to it also, a file. Okay, and after that we'll have the button also, which is a submit button. Okay, it contains the name. Let's use name is upload. Okay, name is upload, that's it. Okay, so we can make use of it. Correct. Simple uploader, file uploader. We'll having encryption type is multi-part form data. input type file, and name, variable name is also file, input type submit, and sorry, just use this type, sorry, not that, value here. So value will be upload, we'll have the name upload there, and when you click on that, then it will go to uploader. So where is uploader present? So let's create it. Yeah, now our Flask file will make use of, as I told, we are going to make use of the function secure file name. Okay, so let's say it from Flask. Okay, let's use the file name upload.py. So what you require, we require the render request, we require the request object, and the secure upload is present inside the work zook. Okay, inside the work zook you can import the secure file name function. Okay, let's create the object of Flask now. Remember, this is what we are having above. Secure file name is to upload the file securely. Okay, remember that. Run it. Okay, that's it. Now let's use the route upload, as we have mentioned there. Route was upload, so slash upload, making use here, define the function upload. Okay, and for this upload we'll have the upload.html file render. Okay, okay, don't use this, we'll directly in the root URL we'll render that. Sorry, return. Okay, upload.html will be rendered in the default option there. Okay, in the default option. So that's done. Now let's go for another route. Another route is your uploader here. So let's create the uploader. And here also we define the function loader. Okay, now let's check the request. So I need to change the methods here. So which methods will be applying? Methods is equal to, okay, let's use post method. Okay, and then check if request dot method is equal to post. Okay, if method is equal to post, then create the object of the requesting file. So what I'll do here, inside the request object I am having the option files, and what is the variable name I mentioned there? What is the variable name? File I mentioned. So you can check it out. What's the variable name I mentioned? File. You can write in file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, like that also. Upload it, and that I am requesting request.files file. Okay, then f.save. Sorry, f.save using secure file name. Okay, and what the name that it carries? F.file name. Yes, so it will be saved there. Check it out, saved, and finally will return some message, success message, like file uploaded successfully. Okay, now see it. If method is post, then request.files file, save it, secure file name, f.file name, whatever file name f carries, same file name I am using and saving in the location where server is currently running, at that location only the file will be saved, and then message will be shown like file uploaded successfully. That's it. Okay, so is there any error here? Secure file name is not present, it's showing that. Why? Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, now it's done completely. Upload.html file is like that. File will be uploaded and that will be saved in the specific location. I think the error is there. I made the changes. Go to utils package. Yeah, it's present in utils package. I think it was previously present in the workzook package. Now in utils package, secure file name is present. That's why workzook.utils is required. Fine. Now let's run it. You have seen the code step by step. Yeah, it's running now. server is running. Let's open the server. There we have seen the HTML code. Upload.html will be running in the root, and then we'll ask for the file to enter. So open your HTML. Yeah, now see, this is browse, file control is present, and upload is also submit button, which I have given the upload name over there. So go to the browse. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll create a file somewhere. Like I'll go to desktop, and in desktop I'll create a file. That file I'll upload in this particular folder, because this is a default folder, this one, where the file will be saved, and I need to copy it from somewhere. Okay, so my client and server are same, that's why the location will have mismatch there. So what I'll do, I'll create a new file here. Okay, I'll create a new file, and here I'll write something. Hello all, welcome to Flask application development, okay, from MITU Skillologies, Pune. Fine, and I am saving this file on my desktop, okay, by some name like hello.txt. Okay, so this file is saved in my desktop. Okay, you can just check it more desktop. On my desktop the file is saved. Okay, so file is saved here on my desktop. Wait a minute. Yeah, see this one. File is saved here, home.txt. Sorry, hello.txt, not home. I'll delete the remaining files which are not now useful for me. Home.hello.txt file is saved on my desktop. Now from this location I'll copy, and server will upload that on its default location. Default location is this. So maybe from any client it will upload. My computer is same, server and client are same, that's why it is creating something different there. So we'll upload that, and that will be copied in the server. This is a server location where upload file is running. At this location it will upload and save it. So let's try that. Okay, so I have saved this file. I'll just close it. Upload is already running. Let's go browse. Go to the desktop. So hello.txt file is present there. Open. You can check the file name is appearing over here. I'll click on upload. Yeah, file uploaded successfully. The message returned from the Flask, and Flask has captured that file and saved it into current server location. So what is the current server location? Home. Check it. See, file is coming here. It's uploaded on the server from the client side. If you open this particular file by using your default text editor, see this one. The data is available. It's uploaded on server. Whatever file you upload will be saved at this location here by the respective name. You can change the name also, but default name that is given to that file, with the same name the file will be uploaded here, and you can check this file by this particular way. So this is how we are uploading the particular file on the system. So what I have done, I'll just have a small revision of it. So we have created a HTML page. This is a client side code where it's using the encryption type as multi-part form data. Input type is file name. You can write file 1, file 2, file 3 also. Input type is submit. When I click on this button, it will upload that file. Value is a name present on the button. Now it will call this URL uploader. So we have started that here already. By default, it will open the upload.html file. Okay, if it is not, then okay, so if it is uploading some files, when I click on the button, it's calling uploader. So I'm checking that request method is post. Yes, if it is post, then request.files for any particular file you have to request, then save that by using secure file name, app.filename, same file name I'm using there. Return file uploaded successfully. So file will be saved at the default location here, like this. So in this way, we are going to upload a file from the client side to the server, and after that we can verify and many operations that we can do. So this is a basic operation that is required to do to upload the file, also send the file from client side to the server side. So try the code and check the output. Thank you. Thanks a lot.